Hello people on YouTube. I'm going to do a bike check today. Start with the bars. They're my Miraco ones, but I'm getting new ones for Christmas. I'm getting Salt ones. Got ODI grips, which has like 4 years now, or longer. They're like amazing grips. They're one on the bottom because I flipped them around. Got Federal nylon bar ends. Pretty good. Got my Miraco stem on. Got my makeshift top cap there. I coloured in black because it looked really horrible, all raw and stuff. Got my Miraco forks, which I probably might buy some new ones, some black ones, because the ones I got couldn't hold my peg. Then my front wheel is the same one I had before. Got a tennis ball and M&M wrapper in there. Because, you know, M&M's are amazing. Got an Odyssey 8 and P-Light tyre. I snapped my water seal earlier doing quick down tail whips. Accidentally got my headset and stuff. Then got my monster sticker. Then here got my Animal MK3 peg. It's pretty good. You should buy them, I recommend them. They take like everything you give to them. And then here got my pedals, the Welgos, the metal ones. And then I've got these Miraco cranks, which they're alright except for the bottom bracket creaks quite a bit and stuff. Then going to the side, got the same crank and pedal. Got a sprocket that came with the back wheel. I don't really know what it is, but I painted it purple ages ago. Got a blue KMC chain, which I got because my other one snapped on me, because I had it too tight. Got my Miraco seat, which I've covered in tape. Got a clamp, I don't know what it is, but it was off my old one, I bought the BRX. Got my seat post in there, which is like that big, it's tiny. Then got my back wheel, which is a KHE, I believe. That's what it said on the internet. Got a tennis ball, M&M wrapper in the back wheel. Got a mini Shrek in there as well. That's like baby Shrek, and it's pretty cool. Then got my Primo Pro tyre, which has like poo all over it, cow poo, because I rode in icy puddle and it had cow poo underneath it. And then got Animal MK3 light peg, same as the front, in red though, which, well, it's not really red, it's more raw from how I've grinded on it. Then my frame, of course, I've got is the Miraco 5-star in red. It's quite a tough frame. It's taken beatings from me learning how to grind. Landed quite a few things with it, like my first foot jam tail up today. Then got my van sticker, which actually got stuff, the colours coming off from where I've made the foot jam tail ups, and I kicked the frame there and it's all dirty and stuff. And then quite dirty, I need to clean it someone, but I can't be bothered now. Then I'm pretty sure that's about it. That's my bike. I'm sorry if I've misnamed anything, but yeah, that's my bike. Hope you like it. Subscribe, add me as a friend, comment, like, whatever you want to do. Then, yeah. Oh yeah, I do recommend the ODIs, because they do last like forever. And these bar ends are pretty good actually. Right, focus on them.